You searched how to buy shares of ILKKA Oyj, so this short walkthrough will show the key steps. ILKKA Oyj is a Finnish media and publishing company listed on CBOE EU under the ticker ILKKA2.HE. This is educational content, not financial advice. To trade, you must use a broker. I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar to find the company by entering the ticker ILKKA2.HE. Make sure you select the ILKKA Oyj listing that trades on CBOE EU to avoid similarly named results. On the asset page, review the company overview, business description, and the price chart to understand the listing. Confirm the page shows ILKKA Oyj and the ILKKA2.HE ticker before proceeding. Tap Invest or Trade. Enter the amount you want to buy and carefully review the order fields before confirming the purchase. If the market is closed, the order may be placed as pending, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the order can be confirmed. Once your trade is executed, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to the eToro example is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.